Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we are back on the 76 volt Razor MX 500. Right now we're going to the art museum to see if any other e-bikes are around. Otherwise though, we're just gonna hit up our wheelie practice street, get some more practice in to get these wheelies dialed. Can we squeeze? We can. If you guys saw my last video, my rear brake actually fell off, believe it or not, because the bolts were not screwed in tight enough, basically. See, that was interesting, but luckily we found the bolt right after it fell out, so it's pretty easy. Just sneak right in here. I think they had some event going on at the art museum today, so this top section might actually be closed. Oh, just too much finesse now on these wheelies. It's just unfair. Take the turn. Oh yeah, that's all blocked off right now. What's good? It's good, bro. Nice to see you. All right, guys, ride out starting. I have no clue where the hell we're going, but yeah, there you go. There you go. That's exactly it. I don't even know if this is where we're riding, but it's where I'm going. Just the silence of it is so fucking funny. There you go. Just weaving. These guys are friggin' ballsy on these unicycle things. It's crazy. Just the amount of balance involved is wild. Woo. Almost. This is a tight gap. Woo. Please? Not a problem. Could be a good thumbnail right there, right? See, they just won't do anything about this. Bigger problems to solve in the city. Dude, these things are so crazy. And he's literally going 34 miles an hour. Just insane. Look at that braking. That's crazy, bro. You go so fast. Gotta ride with this guy. He's got all the lights. All right, well, I think I'm a little bit further ahead of the pack with this guy right now on his, I think his name is Dennis. On this, I think they're called EUC, electric unicycle. Dude, I can't believe it. He's going freaking 37 miles an hour. Ooh, and we're going this way. Look at this, wide open lot for wheelies, baby. Crazy how slow we get these guys. Just look at this. It's insane. It's just insane. Ugh. Guys, I actually saw that Brian 636 literally just got a Sur-Ron, which I love watching Brian's videos, obviously for like gas bikes and everything. So to see him get a Sur-Ron, it's pretty crazy, dude. Like with the electric stuff. Oh my God, I almost looped. I just had no brake left, but electric really is going to be the future with this type of stuff. So it's pretty insane. Hopefully one day I can ride with Brian 636. That would be dope. Sur-Ronster would be cool too. G-Bear. Cool Holly, all them Sur-Ron guys. Whoop. Thank you, bro. It's crazy. You almost like coast it. Woo! 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 Ooh, I don't know if I should have wore the long sleeves today. I am warm. Ask for a wheelie and you shall receive, my friend. Then we'll start weaving these. Alright guys, I think we are ready to head out from here. We've been doing this same route every time we've done these night rides, but I think we're gonna head back towards home. It's Sunday night, so I gotta work tomorrow. Oh. All right, back towards the art museum we go. Dude, you're just in a perpetual wheelie, bro. Yo, if you got on one of these, you would probably be able to wheelie it so well because your balance is so good. Dude, I just have to imagine that it's scary falling on one of those things. Like, eating shit on that would not be fun, man. Oh, well, I hope you guys have been enjoying all these e-pitter videos. I certainly have been enjoying making them. Oh, it's just so fun and so easy to get out. Like, you just get out and ride immediately. I don't know why. It's just like one less barrier that the gas bike has, so you just ride so much more. Guys, I'm just so unbelievably impressed by the battery life on these things. Like, we've been absolutely shredding for like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours maybe. I'm at 79 volts. That's like half battery, I'm pretty sure. So if you have like range anxiety or battery anxiety, it's really not that bad. We're both wheeling. But yeah, guys, I keep talking about it. Surron Mega Ride, New York City. I think it's June 16th to, oh, that was close. June 16th to the 20th. Oh no, I think it's 18th to the 20th, something like that. But I definitely am trying to go. Probably would be pretty insane, and we'll have hopefully the upgraded suspension on this thing by then too, so it should really be shredding. Whew, all right. Well, I think that is gonna do it for us tonight, guys. As always, oop, are we turning? He's turning. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time. Peace.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me. A-list singer and she's just a